In this episode, we learn different types of operation on sets. Different types of operations on sets. Number 1, union of sets. Number 2, intersection of sets. Number 3, difference of two sets. Number 4, disjoint sets. Number 5, symmetric difference. Number 6, complement of a set. Let us know in detail. Union. The union of two sets A and B is the set which consists of all the elements of A and B, and common elements being taken only once. The union of A and B is denoted by A union B. Therefore, A union B is equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Let us see an example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 are common elements in A and B, but we taken only once at a time in A union B. Intersection. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all common elements of A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B. Therefore, A intersection B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. This means X belongs to both sets. Let us examine an example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then find A intersection B. To answer this, first you notice common elements in A and B. Here are the common elements are 3, 4, 5. So A intersection B is equal to 3, 4, 5. So A intersection B means common elements belongs to A and B. Difference of two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements of A which are not in B. This is denoted as A minus B. So A minus B is equal to X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. Example, if A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B is equal to 1, 2, 6, 7, then find A minus B. To find A minus B, first delete elements from A which are in B. And second, then write the remaining elements in A as A minus B. In this example, 1 and 2 are in A and also in B. So, strike out these two and the remaining elements in A is equal to 3, 4, 5. This is equal to A minus B. Disjoint sets. Two sets A and B are said to be disjoint sets if they have no common elements. That is, A intersection B is equal to pi or n of A intersection is equal to 5. This means there are no common elements in A and B. Then A and B is said to be disjoint sets. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5, 6, 7 are disjoint sets because They have no common elements. Symmetric difference. The symmetric difference of sets A and B is denoted as A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A, or A delta B is equal to A union B minus A intersection B. Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Then find the symmetric difference of A and B. We know that the symmetric difference of A and B is A delta B is equal to A minus B union B minus A. To find this one, we have to find A minus B and B minus A. So A minus B is equal to 1, 2, 3 minus 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to 1. B minus A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, 2, 3, which is equal to 4, 5. By substituting A minus B and B minus A values in A delta B, we got A delta B is equal to 1 union 4, 5, which is equal to 1, 4, 5. This is the symmetric difference of A and B. Complement of a set. If A is any set, then the set of all those elements which are not in A is called complement of A. It is denoted by A complementary or A dash. A complementary is equal to mu minus A. Here mu is equal to universal set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.